Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Gretel Grace G. Bimahat. I am 41 years old and I am married with 4 children, ages 16, 13, 9, and 2 years old and 10 months. My height is 5'1", and my weight is 58 kilograms. I am under college graduate in hotel and restaurant services. I work as a housemaid here in Philippines to Mr. and Mrs. Mary Bilagod for almost 2 years in one couple, ages 49, 56 years old, and one son, aged 5 years old, and I work some here in Philippines for bedridden. There are 4 members of the family in one couple, ages 55, 56 years old. Children, age 13 years old, and one grandma bedridden, ages 85 years old. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and tutoring children. I take good care of babies like changing their diapers, feed them, and bath them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and have a better living to support my family. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am promised to finish my 2 years contract with you, and I am willing to renew when needed. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.